Hi everyone and Happy New Year. Natasha here, and around my home today I am in the basement for day, oh shoot, I can't remember. I think it's day 22 perhaps. Anyway, it's the one that is the basement, tools, paint, etc. And we have a fairly large home and a fairly large basement. It's an older home, so I'm in the older side of the basement, so hence kind of the hodgepodge of building materials behind me. There was an add-on to the house. So anyway, I only have a few minutes, so I'm going to try and work on just this little section right here. We do have some paint stored down below where you can't really see, but we recently went through that. I kind of had worked on our tools and all these kind of supplies a few months back. So let's see, I'm gonna grab a bag and my timer and I'll be right back. Hold on. Okay, I'm back. I'm gonna set my timer for 5 minutes because I'm running out of time. I gotta go pick up my daughter shortly. So I have a couple of tote bags and an old wash basin that I'm going to use to collect some things in and determine what I have and what I'm doing. So I'll set my timer there for right now. So some of what's here are painting supplies, and I think I'm going to separate out, I was keeping like little plastic bowls and stuff. I'm going to separate that out so that I can just have the painting supplies themselves, things like these paintbrushes and the little opener together, and take out all these extra bowls because they are not really helpful at this point. That one is old. Okay, and then this is a drop cloth. So let's see here. Drop cloth. Gotta get it out. Need to find a better way to store that, even if it's just tied up or something so it's not loose. Okay, that is fine. This is empty. So next time we have bulk pickup, or not bulk pickup, we have once a year we have a pickup for things like this. So I will set that aside for that. See what's here. A respirator would be better to have in here than a million of these little plastic trays. So let's get rid of that and see what else is in here. Okay. Let me see what I've got. And then this tubing, I think it was from, I don't know if it was from a pond pump or our hot tub or something else, a vacuum. I can't really tell. So I might have to ask my husband if he knows what it's for, if we need to keep it, or what we should do with it. So set that aside for a minute. Let's see what's in here. So spackle. Yes. I'm pretty sure that's so good. I just used it not too long ago. Another little roller. This is trash, so that can go. Some old, that we don't need. Stir stick. Okay, let's see here. This is where I think the tub would work out better. Another one of these bowls. Paint, tape, a sanding block. Oh, and see, my lid isn't all tight, so that's not good. That may be dried out. And another, whoops, stir stick. How you doing? I forgot to tell you, we're going to do a 5-minute project, so get ready and go with me here. Or if not, just restart it. You can join me later. Okay, these are more paint. I'll have to put these up there. These are paint samples from when I was choosing a color. And a couple more stir sticks. Okay, so I'm going to use this little wash basin for the actual supplies that we want to keep. Okay, and that way that can kind of fit all these things in the open. So, whoops, can't even see, so I'm just going to put them in there. So they're a little easier to access and to see what we have for the time that we are actually painting again, which we haven't. The last time I painted was our master bedroom, which was back in July, and I don't have any near projects coming up. So this really is just for storage. Okay, so there's that. Now that could go in there. And another, see, I have 2 respirators, 2 different mask sets. Neither one has been used. So that's no good. Here's some more drop cloth. So I think the drop cloth, I have this old, well, I have a million of these tote bags. They were from an apartment community that I worked at years ago. So I'm gonna stick my drop cloths in there to contain them. I'm sure I'm gonna run out of time soon, but let's try to do the best we can. Come on. Are you enjoying watching me struggle? Oh my goodness. Okay. It's like, there it is. So this is like a square peg in a round hole here. All right, I think I can get it. Okay, so that's my drop cloth. That's fine back there. And I'll have this tub here, kind of condensed, so we have lots of stir sticks. Some of these probably need to go. This is a shim, I think, or no, heavy duty stir stick. Some of these can go in our shim supplies. I'm gonna set those down here. Okay, and then gloves, those are handy. Okay, another bowl. All right, and the rest, I think this is from when we stained the deck. And what's back here? Another drop cloth. Yeah, so the drop cloths are everywhere. And we don't plan on painting anytime soon. I might need another bag for that. Unless I can wedge them in there. Okay. Okay. All right, well, I'm going to stop there because I got to go. But that is a little bit better. I've at least gotten rid of some of the extra stuff we don't need. This bag is all my bowls and whatnot, and I probably only need 1 or 2, so, and I don't think these recycle. No, they don't. So that's the hard part, is when they don't recycle. But and this one is, it says master bedroom wall paint. Okay, so that's fine. All right, well, thank you very much for joining me today. I've gotten rid of this one tote bag full of old containers we don't need. I'll keep 1 bowl, that should be enough. And actually, I have my old bucket of paint in this too, so there we go. It's not much, but can you even see I've got all those guys in there. So, all right, thanks again for joining me. I hope you're off to a great start for the new year. I will be back soon with more videos, and thanks for this crazy video and hanging in there. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you like seeing me struggle with things like this, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.